Stop. Don't recharge your Hafilat card the old way. It doesn't work anymore. Thousands of people are still trying the old website and getting stuck. Don't be one of them. In this video, I'm going to show you the new and updated method to recharge your Hafilat bus card and buy a weekly or monthly pass using the official TAMM Abu Dhabi website. Step by step, no confusion. And trust me, if you skip even one step, your recharge might not go through. So watch till the end. This could help you a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Before we start, make sure to subscribe. Your support helps us create more helpful videos like this for you. Today, I will guide you through the exact process, step by step, so you can recharge your card or buy a weekly or monthly pass easily. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Hafilat Recharge. Click on the official TAMM Abu Dhabi Government Services website. Now, to continue, you need to log in and connect your Hafilat card. Click on Sign In, then choose Sign In with UAE PASS and tap Login. You will now see a verification step. A number will appear on your screen. Remember this number carefully. At the same time, you will get a notification on your UAE PASS app. Open it, select the same number and tap Confirm. Once done, go back to your browser. You will now be successfully logged in. Now it's time to add your Hafilat card. Click on Add Card, then enter your Hafilat card number. This is mandatory. You can also add your name, mobile number and email address if you want to receive updates via SMS or email. Click Add and your card will be linked instantly. You will now be able to see your card status, expiry date, and current balance. If you have multiple cards, you can repeat the same process to add them. To recharge your card, click on Top Up. Here you will see two options. Top Up Balance. Add any amount like 10, 20, 30 or more. Subscription. Buy a weekly or monthly bus pass. Choose the option you need. If you select Top Up, scroll down and pick your amount. If you want a pass, go to Subscription and select your plan. Then, accept the terms and conditions by tick mark here. Important note, your recharge or pass will be activated after approximately 2 hours, not instantly. Now click Proceed to Pay. Choose your payment method by clicking Change and add your debit or credit card. Then click Pay. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message. That's it. Your Hafilat card will be ready to use after 2 hours. If you still have any questions or face any issues, just drop a comment below. I will definitely reply. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tap and Solve. Best of luck.